Farming is changing. Beyond traditional fields, new techniques are changing how we grow crops and raise livestock. We're exploring 10 innovative methods that boost productivity and sustainability while tackling climate change and food security. Using technology and nature, modern farmers are paving the way for a greener, more abundant future. Before we dive into the fascinating world of revolutionary farming techniques, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. At number 10, we dive into the world of aquaponics, a blend of agriculture and aquaculture in perfect harmony. This system cleverly mixes fish farming with hydroponic gardening. Fish waste acts as a natural nutrient for plants, while the plants clean and purify the water, which is then recirculated to the fish tanks. Aquaponics is sustainable and efficient, using less water than traditional farming and producing quality organic produce and fish. It has the potential to transform urban farming, bringing fresh produce closer to city residents, showcasing the innovative spirit of modern agriculture. Shifting our focus from the symbiotic waters of aquaponics, we ascend to new heights with number 9, vertical farming. This revolutionary method challenges traditional farming by stacking crops vertically, allowing for a dramatic increase in yield per square foot. Utilizing controlled environment agriculture technology, vertical farms can produce crops year-round, free from the constraints of seasons and adverse weather. Not only does this innovative approach significantly reduce water consumption by up to 70%, but it also paves the way for sustainable urban agriculture, bringing fresh, pesticide-free produce directly to urban consumers' tables. Descending from the vertical gardens, we now immerse ourselves into the fluid world of number 8, hydroponics. This advanced farming technique goes beyond the soil, liberating plants to thrive directly in nutrient-rich water solutions. Hydroponics represents a leap towards sustainability and space efficiency, as it allows for higher density planting and can be set up nearly anywhere, from urban rooftops to barren deserts. The precision control over nutrients and pH levels in the water also means that plants grow faster and healthier, promising an abundant harvest of high-quality produce. This method not only conserves water, but opens new horizons for agriculture in challenging environments, making it a cornerstone of future farming innovations. As we move from the water's edge and vertical farms, we enter the world of agroforestry, a practice both ancient and innovative. Agroforestry combines tree and shrub cultivation with crops or livestock, creating a symbiotic ecosystem that benefits from both. This method boosts biodiversity, improves soil health, and provides farmers with diversified income from timber, fruit, and fodder. Integrating agricultural and forestry practices, agroforestry is a sustainable approach to land management, capable of restoring landscapes and aiding in climate change mitigation. Venturing further down the path of agricultural evolution, we arrive at number 6, precision agriculture. This cutting-edge approach leverages technology to observe, measure, and respond to variability in crops and soil, ensuring that every square inch of farmland is utilized optimally. Precision agriculture employs drones, GPS technology, and IoT devices to gather detailed insights about the conditions on the ground, allowing farmers to make informed decisions about planting, watering, and harvesting. By targeting resources only where they are needed, precision agriculture dramatically reduces waste and increases crop yields, sculpting the future of farming into an efficient and sustainable art form. As we explore future farming marvels, we spotlight number 5, permaculture. It's a holistic method surpassing traditional farming by creating sustainable, self-sufficient ecosystems. Permaculture principles emphasize cooperating with nature, developing ecosystems where everything is interconnected and supports one another. By strategically placing plants, water, and animals in beneficial arrangements, permaculture turns landscapes into resilient, productive habitats. It produces an abundance of food and resources, conserves energy, and reduces waste. This approach shows how combining natural processes with human innovation can lead to a regenerative future in agriculture. Moving from sustainable permaculture practices, we enter the innovative realm of agriculture with number 4, biochar soil management. This advanced technique uses biochar, a porous, carbon-rich material made by burning organic matter without oxygen. Biochar improves soil fertility and boosts agricultural productivity, while also capturing carbon to reduce the impact of farming on climate change. This aligns farming with sustainability goals, showcasing how merging traditional knowledge with modern science can enhance agricultural efficiency and help create a healthier planet. Building on groundbreaking agricultural practices, we move to number 3, Aeroponics, a farming method that marks a significant advance in efficiency and sustainability in crop production. Aeroponics propels agriculture into the future by allowing plants to grow in air or mist, eliminating the need for soil. This method cuts water usage by up to 90% compared to traditional methods, while also promoting faster growth and higher yields. Importantly, aeroponics can be set up almost anywhere, including cities, offering a flexible solution for global food production challenges. Transitioning from the high-tech solutions of aeroponics, we turn our focus to a practice that simplifies agriculture while simultaneously addressing soil conservation concerns. Number 2, no-till farming stands out as a revolutionary approach that eschews the traditional plow in favor of preserving the soil structure and biodiversity. This technique involves growing crops without disturbing the soil through tillage. By doing so, no-till farming significantly decreases soil erosion, improves water retention, and enhances carbon sequestration. This method not only bolsters the sustainability of farming practices, but also supports a healthier ecosystem, showcasing a deep respect for the land that sustains us. As we approach the top of our list, let's unveil the most sustainable and effective farming practice. Number 1, integrated pest management, IPM, stands out as a holistic strategy enhancing crop production and protecting our ecosystem. IPM is an eco-friendly method that uses the least harmful strategies for pest control, focusing on long-term prevention with minimal risk to people, plants, and the environment. It employs biological control, habitat manipulation, and resistant varieties to significantly cut down on chemical pesticide use. This method strikes a balance between maximizing crop yields and preserving ecological balance. And that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.